Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can save your Facebook archive story on your phone's gallery. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Facebook application, and once you open up your Facebook application, this is what the interface is going to look like. And after that, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Next, you'll be directed to your profile page. You can see just beside edit profile there is 3-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. After you tap on it, next you'll be directed to profile setting, and on the profile settings there are multiple options, and then on the second option you have archive. Just simply tap on it. After you tap on archive, you can see there are two different options. Now you have to tap on story archive, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the image or the particular story that you want to save it on your phone's gallery, and once you do that, tap on the 3-dot icon in the top right. So from the drop down menu, tap on save photo. You can see that this particular image has been saved and now it is on your phone's gallery. Now that is how you can save your Facebook archive stories on your phone's gallery. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.